Hi everyone, thanks for joining us again here at LaLa Go. We are wrapping up the third week of our adventure and we're heading back home to Florida. We've just left Illinois. We'll be going into Kentucky, spending the night in Tennessee, going to Georgia, spending the night in southern Georgia, and then finally home to Florida. Unfortunately, this video is going to be a little shorter, not as much interaction as we would like, but Linda and I still wanted to share the final leg of our journey with you. Unfortunately, we've lost a lot of our audio through some tough technical difficulties. Hey, Larry and Linda here. LaLa Go.
Memories flow from the mountains high to the oceans low. Adventures alive with every LaLa Go.
Going across the Ohio River. Whoa.
Welcome to Kentucky.
Stories are so, sky turns to amber, then fades to gray. I'm chasing the sun, miles slip away. Through Ohio fields where the corn stands tall, Indiana whispers her silos call. Station coffee, a bittersweet brew. Tennessee star shining bold and true.
Turn right.
Georgia clay clings to my worn out boots. Each mile's a verse in my traveling route. The map's not the journey, the lines don't confine. The heart beats its rhythm, the road is my guide.
We've pulled up at Broken Banjo Campground here, Manchester, Tennessee. Linda has run in to get the reservation papers. We've arrived a little after the campground office is closed.
Site one.
Does it start at 1?
I don't know. Go slow for a minute. Hang on. Oh, that's cool, Paul. You can go swimming before we leave tomorrow. Site one. Nope, we're at the first site. Right here, site one. This is 1 through 16. Where's 1? Is this 1? Are you sure? Well, let me get out. Are you sure? That's not what it says. It says ours is right here. Right here, site 1. Well, look. Okay, so here's the road. There's Broken Banjo Place, and there is Rock City Drive. So maybe this is Rock City Drive. I don't know where it is, but watch, you got cement things right here.
This is Rock City Drive.
Okay, so this is Rock City Drive. We're right here. Look at me. We're right here. Yep, we're right here. You are such a pain in the butt when you don't know what you're doing. I love you, but you are.
Well, Linda took the puppies for a walk to relax and clear out her mind. And it's not unusual for one spouse to be aggravated with another occasionally, especially after 3 weeks on the road and long days of driving. Just part of life. And I may be a special case that is particularly aggravating just because of some personality issues that I have. And maybe someday we'll talk about those. Hey, good morning if you can hear us. We're at Broken Banjo campground in Tennessee. Where are we at in Tennessee? Manchester, Tennessee. We spent the night here. It's kind of a cute little campground, quaint campground.
Noisy.
It's noisy because it's right by the interstate. So not the type of place you would want to spend a relaxing week or anything, probably, unless you had activities planned in the area. It is nice. They have very nice bathroom, shower house, nice little pool with a splash
pad for the kids.
Splash pad for the kids. And so we spent the night here having some coffee outside. Outside comes a little picnic table on a pad and a burn ring, a fire ring. Yeah. Show you around a little bit the Broken Banjo campground, and they've got RV spots, of course. And then we're heading up towards the office and the shower bathroom area, and they've got a little store up there also. They do have some cabins that you can rent also. And we'll just take a look in the bathroom shower area, and it's pretty nice. Before we leave, let the dogs enjoy the little fenced-in dog area that they have. It's pretty nice for dogs, and we'll be taking off here soon.
Through Ohio fields where the corn stands tall, Indiana whispers, her silos call. Illinois rivers, Kentucky's blue hills, the road keeps its promise, the silence it fills.
Hey, so we are getting ready to leave Tennessee, and I noticed that our DEF was getting close to half full, and read that from several accounts You don't want to let it get below half. You could start getting warnings and go into lip mode. So, but it took us, I filled or made sure it was full before we left on our trip. And so we've gone 2,923 miles, and so roughly 3,000 miles to use up half our DEF. A lot of that was highway interstate travel. So that's good to know. I also didn't know the quantity of DEF that I would need. I could have looked it up, but I didn't. I just got a gallon because I didn't want to get too much. And it appears that half full is 2 gallons at least. So the traffic on the left there is coming into Atlanta. You see that there's quite a lot of traffic. We just spent an hour and a half coming through Atlanta from the north to the south, and we're exiting happily here. Pretty tense drive. We're continuing south. Hey guys, well, we spent the night at Love's in Valdosta, Georgia. Getting ready to head back across the border to Florida. Our trip is almost over.
Past fades behind. Every turn a new story to find. Gravel and asphalt, they blend in my veins. Each mile a cure for life's growing pain.
Hey, we're not done yet. Before we get back home, we're going to visit a spot on the Nature Coast that we've been to a few times and give you a peek.
Palm trees sway like lazy hands. Live oaks stand in ancient bands. Spanish moths whisper secrets slow. Where the rivers kiss the marshes low. Nature coast dreaming, salt in the breeze. Manatees floating through warm, quiet seas. Gator sunbathing, no need to race. Life's just a hammock in this sacred place.
River off to our right hand side. You can see it through the trees. Not the town of Crystal River, but the Crystal River itself. Those are some canals with some homes on them. Off of Crystal River.
Nature coast dreaming, salt in the breeze.
And Crystal Isles are there. Looks like they have overflow down here in the grass. There's a bathroom. Looks like the parking is very full over here right now at this park. There is a fishing pier out over the river. Want to park over there? Oh, we're gonna get out and walk around anyway. There's some boats coming in right there. This is not the fishing pier, but there's a little boardwalk that you can walk along and watch the boats coming in. The boat ramp is over there. There's some resort rentals across the way. They're cute. Picnic tables over here.
Yeah.
Right over there where that bobber is,
Yeah.
and the small alligator
Oh, is
right
it?
of them.
Oh, is that?
Where's the bobber at?
Right there under the tree.
Oh, over there. Alright.
Every once in a while he shows himself.
I don't know if we'll get that for her. There's the bobber.
See him moving back in there.
Oh.
A little bit lighter colors than the rest.
I think I see him. Yeah.
Where?
That back there. He's not very big.
Look at it. Look
Yeah.
here.
Huh?
Look here on the camera. Oh. Okay. There. Now I see him. Yep. See it?
Yeah. Yeah, he's got a good picture of him. There used to be a bigger one that hung out back here. I wonder if they moved him. Is he? Yeah, he's a little guy.
Where can the boat in?
My first line was right here.
Was he? I know, I've watched people get out of their boat in this water.
Yeah.
That's foolish.
Yeah. Well, they're good fight. Guys come in with extra bait, dump it over the boat.
Yeah.
Thanks for pointing him out. Yeah, he's just a little guy.
So we saw an alligator over here.
Yeah, just a little bitty one. He's about 2 foot long. Larry will show you. I don't think you can see him from this angle. This is a nice little walkway. Hi. See the fishing pier?
Over there.
Yeah.
And then over here, that's the river.
And this is that little resort area that you can rent.
That's right here. I mean, they got some houses that you can rent here.
Oh, he's moving. Look, there he is. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And there he goes. He doesn't look.
He likes
He
it.
looks, yeah, I know that's him. Yeah. He looks like he's about 3 feet long.
Well, maybe, but I don't think so. Not really. He could be about cool. Let's watch him when he comes over here. Can you zoom in on him?
Yeah, let's see if I lost him because I'm moving.
He's a cute little guy.
There we go.
I wonder if he's following us and he thinks we're going to fish. Moving towards us. If they stay still, he might come over here so we can get a really good shot. I'm guessing he thinks we're going to fish. Still see him?
It looks like he stopped.
Yeah, he's watching us.
There's Linda. And he's right there.
He's little. Yeah, he thinks we're going to be fishing. Maybe we'll feed him.
Well, he's used to waiting out.
Here he goes again. Yeah, and he goes down. I don't see him. He's down.
Well, he went underwater. Maybe. Who knows? Okay, let's look here. There's the fishing pier. Looks like there's a few people out there.
We won't go on it. We'll just get it from here. It's a beautiful little pier.
So from here you can go out to the Gulf, not very far. We've done it before.
This water is brackish, right? It's a mix of spring water and salt water. Hi. I wonder how long alligators can stay underwater.
Long time.
QR codes and stuff. Citrus County Parks and Recreation.
Oh wait, you do one other side?
That's it.
So no parking your van here. Now we're driving out to Fort Island Beach. There's Crystal River again. Academy of Environmental Science. Look at all the dead top trees out here from hurricanes. Power plant over there. So we're coming up on Fort Island Beach. It is a very small beach. It's not a white sandy beach like the big ones. Old palm trees and pines. Now this is under construction right now because of the last hurricane. It took out the bathrooms and a bunch of covered picnic tables and things like that, so they're working on it again. There's limited parking here. There's also a boat dock up here, but as you can see, a lot of it's been closed off back here because of stuff. They've got porta potties out here right now. There's where the bathroom used to be. Right there. There's the little beach. It's actually a really good place to bring the kids if you're out here.
Very shallow.
Yeah, it's a very shallow shelf. Yeah, you can go back there. This is the boat dock. It looks like part of it's closed. So there's a fishing pier out here, but it looks to be completely closed. And there is a walkway that used to be back here, but it's all been washed away. I just saw part of it.
Behind this fence.
Yeah, behind this fence used to be the...
Yeah, little parking
Oh,
lot.
it's completely fallen down. It really got ruined in the last hurricane. That was last fall. Here's parking for this boat dock. This is a nice launch, not boat dock, a nice launch for larger boats too. There it is down there. You pay by scanning out here, and then they check your vehicles to make sure that you've paid. And then there's all kinds of little launches out here if you want to bring your kayak out here and kayak in the marshy areas. this is where there used to be a walkway. There's part of it right there, but that's not where it used to live. There's another part of it. The surge killed it. So I don't know if they're gonna do it again or if they're just gonna get rid of it. But there were covered pavilions out here too, and those are gone. See, it's just a little beach.
Very shallow water.
Yeah, there you won't have very many waves out here, if any. Sometimes if it's real wavy in the Gulf, you'll get a few. I mean, very few. This is not going to be a good shell beach. They do bring in white sand for it, though, but you can see how tiny it is. It is crowded out there today. It's because it's hot. The car says 93, or the vehicle says 93. And it's Sunday, so it's busier. It's late in the day, though. It's 3:50 right now. It also gets busy in the evening. People come out here and watch the sunset. And there you have it. That's Ford Island Beach. Maybe we'll come back out here once they get all the renovations redone. And off we go to the next adventure.
See you next time. Thanks for joining us. It was fun. No, it was so much fun. Until the next ride. Until the next ride. See you next time. Yeah, we're not done. The clock keeps ticking. The night won't wait.